drug operation. So, ang premise is, yun na nga, arrest muna, at build the case. Well, Mr. Chair, no, as a final word, I hope and I imagine that the Department of Justice is watching dahil ang daming admissions ng dating presidente involving criminal acts. Salamat kaayo, kasaysayan na lang po maghuhusga. Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair.
Taka ako hanggang ngayon, ang Justice Department hindi pa nag-file ng kaso hanggang ngayon. Katagal lang. Matagal ako pumapatay ng tao hanggang ngayon, hindi pa sila nakapile ng kaso?
Mr. Chair, another addition to the list that's growing by the minute.
Okay, for the record, Mr. President.
wala na tayo
Mr. President, for the record, kasi may nagtanong din sa akin wala.
Huwag na tayo magdrama dito. Tapusin na natin itong istorya na ito dito sa Pilipinas.
Admissions. Sabi po ni Senator Ontiveros, madami na pong admissions ang former President Duterte. Sabi naman po ni President Duterte, matagal na po siyang pumapatay. Alin ba talaga? Admissions. Sabi po ni Senator Ontiveros, madami na pong quote-unquote admissions na sinabi si President Duterte na matagal na po siyang pumapatay. Sabi po ni former President Duterte, quote-unquote, matagal na po siyang pumapatay pero bakit wala pang napafile na case sa korte? Nasabi po ni Senator Hontiveros na quote-unquote, madaming admissions na sinabi si former President Duterte tungkol sa kanyang pagpatay. Ang mga ganito pong statements are general statements or general admissions. Yun pong mga sinabi ni former President Duterte na quote-unquote matagal na po siyang pumapatay ay general statements or general admissions without identifying a specific case or a specific victim. Yun po yung reality, hindi po siya mako-convict. Kasi po, in criminal cases, we need to establish guilt beyond reasonable doubt. And with the statements of former President Duterte na mga general admissions or general statements, hindi po yan makakapag-establish ng guilt beyond reasonable doubt. Despite po sa mga sinasabi ni Senator Hontiveros na quote-unquote madaming admissions si former President Duterte na quote-unquote matagal na siyang pumapatay ay hindi pa po siya nako-convict dahil po kailangan po na ma-establish muna ang guilt beyond reasonable doubt. And using these general statements and general admissions, it is insufficient po to establish guilt beyond reasonable doubt. And si former President Duterte po, alam niya how to navigate himself in the legal system.